Hello, and welcome to this fifth video in our series of 6 videos on job analysis. My name is Ginny Marshall, and I'm the CEO of DSI Work Solution, and it's my privilege to bring this information to you. We're going to look at ergonomic opportunities that present themselves during the job analysis process and how you can document these in a useful way for the employer and those who would be able to benefit from this information. The job analysis process and the development of the job analysis document, the job function description, naturally leads to the discussion of work activities that employees find particularly challenging. These concerning work activities can be substantiated through the data that was collected during the job analysis process. So a natural outflow from the job analysis process is the ability to identify ergonomic opportunities that can warrant further investigation. This leads to the beginning of an ergonomic intervention and identifies the particular job function with which the intervention should be considered. Not every ergonomic opportunity is going to warrant a deeper ergonomic investigation, however, but of course many will. Often simple solutions can be identified and implemented by maintenance personnel, for example. The biggest challenge for employers when it comes to making improvements, such as ergonomic interventions, is knowing where to focus. You see, employees often voice their concerns, put suggestions in safety boxes, bring up issues during safety meetings, and through the noise, prioritizing these is what can be particularly challenging. It is the data that's procured during the job analysis process that can help with this prioritization. In the course of my own work, I've witnessed many situations where information from the job analysis and the ergonomic opportunity that's identified begins with a simple or quick fix that allows time for a deeper ergonomic study to take place. Often from that study, new interventions are introduced. Many times they're engineering interventions, but the ability to quickly address the issue at some level has taken place. We know that ergonomics is focused on fitting the work to the employees. It's a design-focused term for the most part, but an important part of it is where we are teaching employees to interface better with their work environment. I like to borrow the term humanomics to distinguish between fitting the work to the employee, ergonomics, and helping the employee fit the work better, humanomics. These are two very different approaches, but both are vital to the safety of employees, particularly in physically demanding jobs. With a combination of the humanomics and the ergonomics approach, it is impressive to me how employees who are armed with good objective information and focus on the particular job function demands that need attention, how they are able to implement changes that net very good results. It is the objective measurements from the job analysis that substantiate the need and therefore help the employers focus on where change needs to be applied. Many of these things can be accomplished internally through their own staffing in maintenance or perhaps their own internal engineers or ergonomists. But when necessary, they can reach to outside resources to accomplish their ergonomic goals. So let's take a look at an example of how the ergonomic opportunity report can flow out of the job analysis report or the job function description. Let's look at job function demand number 2, which relates to moving the merchandise with the dolly or a cart, or in this case, we're looking at a pallet jack. The employees would most likely have voiced concerns about the push-pull forces that are required for doing this. And as you can see, The individual has to use momentum, which is a clear signal to the job analyst that the employee is using a high percentage of their strength and capacity in push and pull. So this push-pull activity as a part of this job function demand related to moving merchandise is going to make the list as an ergonomic opportunity. Once it makes the list and the associated physical demands are identified, then it is important to document what should be investigated. Often what is documented under investigation relates to feedback that is coming to the job analyst directly from the employees or perhaps from supervisors or others in the safety arena. It is important for the job analyst to note that we are not entering into the formal study or investigation. We are simply identifying it, making some notes about what information was coming forward in addition to the data that was collected so that it can be investigated further at a later date. So as you can see here, some of those ideas for investigation include wheel maintenance as an example. That would have been based on discussion and brainstorming that would have taken place during the job analysis. If you want to learn more about conducting a job analysis and developing a job function description and a subsequent ergonomic opportunity report, we invite you to visit our website, dsiworksolutions.net, where you can learn more about our coursework. And we also invite you to try the first lesson in our job analysis coursework with no obligation. When you engage with our coursework, we provide you with support during, and we offer you support afterward if that is something that would be beneficial to you. We hope you've enjoyed this video, and we look forward to you joining us again for the 6th video in the series. Thank you, and stay safe.